Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the LawnMaster CLMF4817E 48 volts MAX Brushless Mower. I've looked through the internet from real user reviews, expert impressions, forum discussions, and long-term feedback, so you're getting an honest verdict on whether this mower is worth your money or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right off the bat, this mower feels like the kind of machine that was designed to take the hassle out of lawn care. Gone are the days of dealing with gas, oil changes, spark plugs, and smelly exhaust. And with the 48 volts MAX brushless motor, you get a powerful cutting system that's quiet, efficient, and much easier to maintain than a gas mower. People who've switched from gas to this mower online frequently comment on how peaceful their mowing experience is. No loud noise, no fumes, and no constant tuning. One of the biggest things reviewers talk about is the battery system. This mower comes with two 24 volts MAX 4.0 Ah batteries that stack to give you the full 48 volts power under the deck. Batteries are often the Achilles heel of cordless mowers, but LawnMaster's dual battery design means you get more runtime and stronger performance than single battery setups. A lot of owners online say this configuration gives them enough juice to tackle mid-sized yards, especially with those larger 4.0 Ah capacity packs, without needing frequent recharges. The dual charger is another feature people appreciate because it lets you charge both batteries at once. Instead of charging one, waiting, swapping, and charging again, you just plug in and let both batteries top up together. That's a small convenience, but in real-world use, it makes a difference, especially if you're prepping to mow on weekends and don't want to babysit batteries. Performance is where this mower really earns its praise. The brushless motor means better efficiency, longer life, and strong cutting power that holds up well even if your grass is dense or slightly overgrown. Online owners say the blade stays sharp longer, the cut quality is consistent, and the mower doesn't bog down as easily as some other cordless units. There's enough torque here for most typical lawns, and because the motor works efficiently, you get better runtime per battery than many older brushed motor designs. Another area that people keep pointing out is ease of use. From lightweight maneuverability to easy push-button start, this mower feels accessible even if you've never owned battery lawn equipment before. Wheels roll smoothly, height adjustments are straightforward, and the overall ergonomics make mowing feel less like a chore. Reviewers consistently mention that even though it's a cordless mower, it doesn't feel lightweight cheap, it feels solid, balanced, and ready for the job. Battery life and runtime are always going to depend on yard size, grass thickness, and mowing speed, but the general user consensus is that this setup gets good power and respectable runtime for a mower in this class. If you have a very large yard, some folks suggest having a spare set of batteries handy, but for most suburban lawns, the included battery pair covers the job in one go. Of course, no mower is perfect. Some users online note that if you're used to gas-powered machines, you might miss the never worry about charging convenience of a gas tank. But that's true of all battery mowers, not just this one. Others mention that battery performance can dip in very cool weather, which is normal for lithium-ion packs. But these points are more about battery tech in general than any flaw with the mower itself. So here's the bottom line. Should you buy the LawnMaster CLMF4817E 48 volts MAX brushless mower? After reviewing specs, user experiences, and long-term feedback from across the internet, I would suggest buying this mower if you want a quiet, low-maintenance, powerful cordless mower that handles typical lawns without fuss and gives you the convenience of cordless freedom with good runtime. It's a solid choice for homeowners who want easy lawn care without gas hassles, without compromise on performance. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest gear breakdowns and buying advice, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.